Our second topic deals with linear inequalities. So these are very similar to the linear equations. The only difference is that you have to graph them on a number line. Sorry, there are two differences. And then you also, if you multiply or divide by a negative, like in number 13, you have to switch the inequality sign. So let me go ahead and do a few of these. So this says x divided by 16, so let's undivide, let's multiply by 16. We're not multiplying or dividing by a negative, so I do not switch that sign, so I need to do 7 times 16, which is 112, I believe. And it says less than negative 112. So less than means you draw an open dot and then to the left, because that is less than. For the next one, that's k minus 15, you'd add 15 to both sides. I don't think you need my support there necessarily, but on number 13, maybe you do. So on number 13, we have that 1. So let's subtract that 1 first. So we're going to have negative 133. Now we have 7x, negative 7x equals negative 133. So we need to get the x by itself. So we're going to divide by negative 7. Now a negative divided by a negative, as I've already mentioned, is a positive. And since we're dividing by a negative, if you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the sign. So we're going to flip the sign. This is a greater than symbol, so again, it's an open dot and then to the right. If this were greater than or equal to, then we would have to have a solid dot. In fact, I'm going to edit the next question so that it is a greater than or equal to symbol. So for this next one, I want to get a over 6 by itself first. So let's go ahead and subtract 5 from both sides. Now a over 6 means a divided by 6. So to undivide, we're going to multiply. 6 times 0 is 0, so that means a is less than or equal to 0. Since we have a less than or equal to, we're going to have a closed dot, and then we're going to go to the left. Again, if you have questions on this topic, let us know.